Hey, what's up? I'm Brian Fennell, also known as Bri Guy, and I want to peel back another layer of my process on how do I go about prepping my senses to evaluate wines. All right, so there are a couple things that I just need. Right, always start off. I need a glass, a nice shiny glass to pour my wine into. After that, I have a spit cup or a spit bucket, just for the sheer fact you don't want to be drunk, by the end of your day, because these can be really exhausting and long days, and some of the alcohol percentage is really high. So you just don't want to look sloppy. So it's okay to spit. It's okay. You don't have to drink it all, right? If it's really delicious, yeah, you know what to do. All right. With that being said, another essential is water. You need to be able to prime your palate. Usually I have sparkling water with like some citrus to it, but today I just went with a filtered distilled water just to keep it simple. And I like to put mine in a mason jar just for the sheer fact I like to know how much intake that I have had, whether it's cups or ounces. Safe way that I know I'm staying hydrated throughout my evaluation. All right. Now, here's the good stuff, all right? So me, I take my process a little bit further than others. So I have aroma kits. I have a wine fault aroma kit. So that pretty much has my senses primed to look out for these off-putting aromas, such as like vinegar, rotten apple, rotten egg, etc., etc. Anything that's not supposed to be there in the wine, this aroma kit helps me out. And what that looks like is it's just like this little like cologne or fragrance bottle. You just open it up. You just whistle like that. Whoa, this is rotten apple. You can smell it. Like, to give you a visual, it's like when that apple is turning brown and it's been brown for a while. That's what this smells exactly like. It's pretty awesome. It smells like it's still like a really firm apple that's just really brown. The other aroma kit that I use is the big boy. Whoa. So this one has 54 of those vials in it. It's large. It's intense. So it's 54 of the most common aromas that you're going to get in wines typically. So that just helps gear your your nose even more to just be able to hone in on it. And that also looks exactly like the other one. It comes in a small little fragrance bottle. You open this up, give that a whirl. Oh man, that smells delicious. This one smells exactly like a fresh, ripe apple that's juicy. Oh, I'm smelling it even now. This is amazing because it smells just like one of those like red gala apples that's so juicy. Oh, like when you bite into it, there's a little bit of juice that comes down your chin. Oh man, yeah. This is amazing. That's really beautiful, man. It's really intense right now too. I love that. But overall, that's my process on preparing my senses before I do either wine tastings, before I do wine evaluations, anything. I'm always going through those motions. It's pretty fly because I don't know too many people that's done that. This way, I can explain exactly what the wine tastes like, what it smells like for you guys. So you don't have to go through the entire jar again. I can get as specific as this smells like bruised, wilted roses or apples, or this smells like a sweet, soft cinnamon. It's these little things is what makes my reviews a little bit better and more efficient for you. So if you like this content, please share, subscribe, to the YouTube. All my socials are at Yo Bright Guy. Hopefully, I'll have like a little thing right here, a little text that helps out. But yeah, cheers and let's have some